Welcome to our comparison of two leading portable countertop dishwashers, the NOVETE and the Silonn. If you're living in a small apartment or RV, finding the right dishwasher can make a significant difference in your daily life. Today, we'll dive into the features of both models, examining their price points, noise levels, and innovative technologies. Let's find out which one is the best choice for your needs. When it comes to pricing, the NOVETE portable countertop dishwasher is priced at $339, while the Silonn model is significantly more affordable at $269.98. This price difference can be a deciding factor for many consumers, especially those on a budget. Let's see how these prices reflect the features offered by each model. Noise level is another critical aspect to consider. The NOVETE operates at a quiet 50 decibels, making it one of the quieter options on the market. In contrast, the Silonn has a noise level of 56.3 decibels, which may be noticeable in smaller living spaces. If peace and quiet are essential for you, the NOVETE may be the better choice. Both dishwashers offer impressive cleaning capabilities, but they differ in technology. The NOVETE features dual spray arms, while the Silonn boasts a triple jet cleaning system, providing superior coverage and cleaning efficiency. This could be a significant advantage for those who prioritize deep cleaning. In conclusion, both the NOVETE and Silonn portable countertop dishwashers have their strengths and weaknesses. The NOVETE excels in quiet operation and a spacious interior, while the Silonn stands out for its affordability and advanced cleaning technology. Depending on your priorities, either could be the perfect fit for your small apartment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.